Hey guys, what's up? Now the Housing Agency of Jamaica are now finally accepting applications for the eagerly awaited Catchings Estate development. In this video, we're going to be telling you all that you need to know to apply for one of these units. Alright? And we're going to be showing you all the excitements that's going on the side. But before we go any further, we're going to ask you to
subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up for this video, and remember to turn on your post notification bell and put the setting on all.
When you want content quality, there's one place I'd rather be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Duplex family, the Duplex family, the Duplex family, the Duplex family, the Duplex family.
Viewing started on these properties June the 26th, and since then the crowd has been crazy. Every single day of viewing, there has been tons of persons showing up to view these properties, and of course, it is well received by the public because of the price point. This is a property that is priced very low.
So the security guard had a numbering system that he utilized to get the purses a little bit more organized. So after all the queuing up, we were finally able to gain access.
Alright guys, so we finally got in. We're in the first 30 today to go and see the mother unit, so come along with us.
Guys, upon approaching the front, the first thing we've noticed were the paved driveways. Alright, now for a housing development starting at 6.5 million with paved driveways, that's really commendable because there are a lot of housing developments out there on the market without this feature, and we really like this. Entering in immediately, you notice an open concept, right? The finishing, I'd say the finishing job is excellent. The walls are well rendered, right? There are crown molding going around the ceiling. All right, this lighting fixture, it's consistent throughout the house. It adds a nice touch. All right, there are also base moldings going around as well. So I mean, overall, the China Harbour developers did a good job with this. All right, the moldings, base and crown, they had some drama to the space.
As you can see, you have a small counter space and you have space for a 30-inch stove. You also have 3 drawers there. Outside, the cupboards are also of good quality, especially for the price point. This was also a very good feature of this property or of this unit. This property also was equipped, we are told, with the facilities to accommodate easy installation of AC and so forth.
Alright guys, so welcome to the bathroom. They utilize the space very well, guys. And we must say that for the price point, the fixtures are of very good quality because there are a lot of housing developments around with higher price point with lower end finishing. You can see the bath, the shower, very nice as well. Alright, the toilet, a more modern look. You know, a lot of them, they come with the lever, but this adds, you know, a push button. All right, the door has a door stop. All right, guys, and this door itself is high quality. All right, I must say. All right, very sturdy, a metal door. A lot of developments on the inside. The doors are very flimsy. All right, so for a $6 to $7 million house, the doors are very sturdy. The door locks as well, they're very nice. Guys, also, again, the door stop consistent throughout, so the door wouldn't be banging on the wall and damaging the walls.
So guys, the crown molding continues throughout the unit. Overall, the finishing is well done. They did a great job with the finishing. The tiles, the colors on the walls, the paint job, and the crown molding, the interior, the consideration for the interior design of the home, I would give them definitely a big thumbs up on that. So there's a back door. Of course, the doors are aluminum, and there's a peephole, as you guys can see.
Quite nice.
And the doors come with a bell.
Now I want to give you a big thumbs up, guys, for sticking around thus far. Now we're on to the duplex. All right, the duplex. Straight ahead, these are the studio units, the semi-attached studio units. So we are walking in the development, and as you can see, I mean, the houses are well spaced, and as you know, and it's 2,400 to 2,800 square feet lots. So it's a nice size. So you can maximize the space. As you can see here, guys, it's a decent size. You can add on another couple of bedroom, extend the kitchen. Whatever you want to do, the choice is yours. And of course, guys, they actually stated that you can only build to the back and the sides. You cannot go up on top. But nonetheless, very, very nice. Guys, the applications are now open. You can go to the HAJ website to submit your application. Link is in the description. So this is the front of the duplex, right? So two studio units are actually attached onto each other. And walking around, you know, the shower lawn finish looks good, all right? And you can always add your own landscaping, put in your grass. And again, you have your paved driveways. All right, this grass here is only at the mother units, guys. If you're gonna have to do your own landscaping. But the paved driveway, you will definitely get that.
As you enter in the duplex unit, guys, you have space to accommodate your bed or your bedroom furniture and your seating. And straight to the back, to the left, you have your kitchen. And of course, you have the same counter space. As you see Adrian showing you the parameters, you know, in relation to his body, you know, the spacing that are there, and again, this is staged with a queen size bed, so it gives you a pretty good idea of the type of furniture that can fit into such a space. Let's not forget that this unit comes equipped with a wardrobe, right guys? So you have space to do your hanging. Bathroom. In the bathroom, we have a smaller stand-in shower, smaller than the one bedroom, but still has a very nice finish. You have your toilet space and you have your vanity as well. And again, this unit has your crown molding and your base moldings. Also has a lot of electrical outlets conveniently placed all throughout the unit. So yeah.
Guys, kitchen is small but well finished. They put really nice fixtures in, right? The kitchen can accommodate a 30-inch stove, all right? And the countertop is very well done. The doors throughout the house, as I say, high quality. The door handles feel very sturdy in the hand. All right, and even The outdoor sink is ceramic, very well made. So overall, guys, we give this an excellent grade. We really thoroughly enjoyed viewing this property, and we will definitely recommend you purchase it. This will be an excellent buy, very good for a starter unit. This is a very good starter unit, guys. Very good for a small family or for a family, you know, with a tight budget who would like to expand, because there is room for expansion on these. All right, guys, thanks for watching. All right, do remember to leave us a like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, and do turn on your post notification bell, guys. Peace out, see you soon.